Bart! Bart! Time for your Sunday night bath, boy!
Gotta hide.
Bart! Where are you, boy?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Olmsted County Government Center and the Minnesota Department of Public Safety. This is not a drill. If you are receiving this alert, lock all of your doors immediately. Across the entirety of Olmsted County, sightings of a strange human figure have been collected. This figure is described as looking like a male, having pale white skin, very little hair on its head, and is seemingly completely naked, though lacks any genitals. The figure does not speak, though it wears a humane yet uncanny smile at all times. It can be seen walking on sidewalks or in fields, though this is extremely rare as it most commonly stands completely still. It does not seem to have the ability to perform any other human actions like driving, picking up objects, eating, coughing, etc. Additionally, when people report sightings of the figure to others around them, they insist that they cannot see the figure, nor believe that it even exists. The figure is currently being referred to as Graggle. Graggle can seemingly appear at any time in any place, though it usually appears outside or even inside of people's homes. It is currently unknown if Graggle is hostile or poses any threat to civilian life. However, we advise that you take all necessary precautions. As previously stated, you should remain indoors with your doors and windows locked. Only leave home for essential purposes such as school or grocery shopping. If you spot Graggle, do not approach it and inform an authority of your encounter. We will continue to provide updates on this unusual situation through news outlets as well as the emergency alert system. Thank you for your time.